guys, welcome. Today we are starting chapter 3. The first topic that we are going to cover in chapter 3 is if and else statement. So, first we talk about if statement. Suppose there is a game who allows only above 14 children to play. So, how can they check that the age of the child is above 14 or not? The if statement is helping us to identify the certain conditions. So to check the certain condition we use this statement, if statement. Okay, now if I input, I create a variable age, and the age variable must be in the integer form, and to enter the input from the user we use input function here. Enter your age. Now we are using if statement that the age of the child must be greater than or equal to 14, and noted that we use colon after the last of the statement. You can see when I press enter there is an incline here, there is some space. This space indicates that we are working under the if statement, so this space is necessary. Now if the child is above 14 or equal to 14, we can print you can play this game, you can play this game. Alright, now if I run this, it inputs. If I write my age 14 here and enter it, you can play this game. Now if I write suppose 5 here and enter it, okay, it is nothing to show because we didn't use else statement. So what is else statement? Else statement we use after if statement. Okay, because if this condition is not satisfied, so it goes towards else statement. Now else and colon enter print you cannot play this game. Now if I again run it, you can see empty, it is playing. Now H7 and you cannot play this game. Okay, now we understand how to check a certain condition like age and salary or anything. Now if and else statement is also using to check the strings. Suppose my name here and input, if I input my name, enter your name. Okay, I am using again if statement that name is equals to, we use is equals to as a that name is equals to here. Okay, if I am, the username is mine, it prints you are. Okay, now I am using else statement here again. Now capital. Okay, if I run this program, you can see it required my name. I press enter, you can see you are Umair. If I someone else name like anything here, enter it, you are not Umair. So by using if and else statement, it is a very useful tool to check any condition in any programming language. We use if and else statement. So if you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like and share this video. Thank you very much for watching.